Hello and welcome back to Ashley Life. In today's class, we're going to talk about my unintentional break and all the fun things that I did during it. Now, you may have noticed that I haven't uploaded in a couple weeks. Well, there's a reason for that, and then other reasons after that. So I was just gonna let you know about it. So first of all, I do have to say that it is like 100 million degrees in California right now. Like, we're going through like a major heat wave. Like, yesterday was the hottest day we've had in forever. It got up to like 115, 18 degrees where I live. And today is not much better. In fact, I'm gonna look. I love checking the weather on What the Forecast because it says a lot of funny things. So this one says, this heat wave is worse than the bottom of a drug smuggler's duffel bag. Yeah. Moral of the story, I can't have the air on when I record because it makes a lot of sound, and I can't turn the fan on. I actually have a fan that's like right above my head, but that makes a lot of sound. So I'm just using one of the extra fans that we gave out at my wedding. Something to cool me off just a little bit as I film this for you because, man, it is hot. So right now it says it's 96 degrees. Well, it says right here it feels like 99. And let me tell you, it feels like 115. Like, it feels so hot. It feels as hot as it did yesterday. Just bear with me as I fan myself. So let me tell you what happened and why I kind of paused on uploading videos. It was like super unintentional, and I like hate that I missed a couple weeks. But here's what happened. I filmed a TJ Maxx haul. Super fun haul. I got a bunch of fun stuff. I was putting together gift baskets and I was giving you such fun, good ideas. And then I went to edit the video. And for some reason, the sound and the video recorded without syncing up. I try not to shop randomly because I know if I go in somewhere, I'm probably gonna see something I like that's a good deal, and I'm gonna have to get it because it's a good deal, and then I end up just buying things. But they're good deals and I do use them and need them, but at the same time, like, you can't do that every day. So I always go into a store with a purpose. I don't know what happened. I've never had this happen before. I don't change the settings. Once I have them set on my camera, it's just where they stay because I don't need to change them. So I tried everything I could. I pretty much had edited the whole video and I just thought it was like a glitch. I thought it was because it was such a long video that it was just kind of freaking out on me. So I tested a portion of it and I exported just a little bit of it, and it exported like all funky. And so then I looked up a bunch of things like how to resync and how to do this and that took me like days because you're also living your life in the meantime, like you're doing other things as well, you know? So every free moment I had, I was researching how to put the footage and the sound back together, but I could not figure it out. So I was so bummed. And then you know what happened? It was my birthday. And my birthday, I love my birthday. I go big on my birthday. I like joke that I do like a birthday month, which sometimes it ends up being a birthday month. This one ended up being like a birthday 2 weeks, which was so much fun. So I kind of wanted to share all the little things that I did during the couple weeks where I wasn't uploading because I was so distracted by my birthday and I was out having so much fun, getting to see friends that I hadn't seen in a long time and doing lots and lots of fun activities. So I thought that I would kind of jump back into it, showing you what I've been doing these past 2 weeks and show you all the fun I've had. And maybe it'll inspire you to have some fun of your own and to continue your birthday for longer than you should. So the whole sound video debacle took me all the way up into my birthday weekend. Well, the start of my birthday weekend. My birthday was on a Monday and I started my birthday early. I went out with some friends on Friday night and we just went to a couple local places in downtown Santa Ana, which is super fun, and they have a lot of cute little restaurants and stuff, so I got to hang out with them. And so then the next day, Saturday, we were throwing a party at my house for my birthday. We did a clam bake, which if you don't know what a clam bake is, like, go look it up. Oh my gosh, so much fun. You basically throw everything into one pot and then you cook it and then you just lay it all out on the table and everyone just like goes to town and eats the food. It's so much fun. It's just such a good social way to eat food together. So we had so much fun and it was a blast, but it's also a lot of work to throw a party. So everything was fantastic and it was the most fun ever, and I got to see so many of my friends that I love and everyone came down. I had friends from LA come and I had friends from the desert come. You know who you are. And it was just a blast and a half, and I would do it over in a heartbeat if I could. And then the next day, I wasn't necessarily gonna go and do fun stuff again because I just had so much fun, but I was like, you know what, it's my birthday weekend and I'm gonna go have some fun. So my other friend Todd, it was his birthday weekend too, kind of, and so he was going to a brunch and I was like, you know what, I want to go. It was a drag brunch.
You don't even have to like me, but you will respect me.
Oh my gosh, so much fun. So I went and I met up with everybody, and then after that we went to go see like a concert, not concert, we went to see a band. They're called the Yachty by Nature. They're a cover band and they're so funny. Everything is like sailors themed with them and they're very good and they're so fun to watch. And seen them before that day, but I'm definitely gonna go see them again because they were so amazing. And I left Matt at home for all of this because he can't go like I can. I got home after that and got ready to go out again because we were doing dinner with my dad and my brother and my brother's girlfriend. We went to a place called A Restaurant that's in Costa Mesa. Oh my God, it was so amazing. The food was like phenomenal and I love that restaurant so much. So we did that, and then Monday was my actual birthday. And so on the morning of my birthday, I went to go work out like I normally do because it's a Monday. Never miss a Monday. And my favorite trainer was there training, and he also played Britney Spears music for me the entire workout. It was so much fun, and everyone said it was like one of the most favorite workouts, like, because Britney, seriously, like, no matter how you actually feel about her, I love her, obviously, but her music is just so much fun to work out to, and you cannot have a bad workout when you listen to her music. I'm just saying, you just can't. And so one of my best friends came down from LA, and we got to hang out for a little bit, and then we went to happy hour with my husband, and then we went to a Korean barbecue place. I love any kind of like Korean barbecue, Japanese barbecue. It's just so good. Anywhere where you can like cook meat in front of you and then dip it in some kind of sauce. I love sauces. Oh, it was so much fun. A really great, relaxing, fun way to spend my actual birthday. And then on Tuesday, as you guys know, The Bachelorette, The Bachelor usually plays on a Monday night. Well, I usually can't watch it on a Monday night, so some girlfriends and we get together on Tuesday nights and watch it. So that was the plan. I went over to my friend's house for a Tuesday night. We're like, let's watch it in the jacuzzi this time because she has like a TV outside, so we thought that would be fun. And so I get to her house and like I start putting my stuff down and I go outside and like I come back inside, but then I go back outside because I was like, wait a minute. And like they had the whole place decorated. Like there was balloons that said happy birthday Ashley. Like it was so beautiful and so nice. So they threw me like a bachelorette surprise birthday party. It was so much fun. And so we watched the Bachelorette from inside the jacuzzi and we just like had the best time, and I was so surprised. I thought it was just a normal Bachelor Tuesday, but nope, it was for my birthday too. So again, continuing my birthday celebrations. And then I had a few normal days after that where I actually filmed a class on a new flat iron that I got that I really love. That'll be coming out after this video because I wanted to do this first and not just like throw out a flat iron video and you're like, wait, where have you been? I kind of wanted to let you know what's been going on before I like throw you like a random favorites video, but seriously, one of my new favorite things that I've gotten. And so then the weekend comes and I had a couple of friends that weren't able to make my clam bake that I had on Saturday. So they're like, we have to go out. So actually my friend Johnny knew someone who was gonna be working at the new South of Nick's that's in Laguna Beach. And so they were having a soft opening. If you don't know what a soft opening is, it's where you get friends and family to come in beforehand, before the actual opening of the restaurant to, test out the food and the service and get the cooks, used to cooking the food and making sure everything's like working right in the restaurant before they actually have people coming in to pay. So basically you get free food, and we had an amazing, like, I'm gonna call it a brunch because we started at like 11:30. We had an amazing brunch, like such good food. Definitely going back. It was amazing. And then I love Laguna Beach. It's one of my favorite beaches. And so after that, my friend Laura and I really wanted to get toe rings because across the way there's this like a little place that we go to get toe rings specifically. I don't know what it is about this place. They used to give out these little stickers that said I got towed, and there's just something so cute about that. And they just like are really personable, and they really help you like pick out the one you want, and they help you size, and they put it on your foot for you. Like it's pretty cool, and I think it's just like a really fun experience. And honestly, their toe rings always last. Like I wear my toe rings like constantly. There's one toe ring that I have that Matt got for me that I've been wearing for 12 years now, and so I just think that they're really good quality. So I got like a little rose gold one with little sparkle silvers around it, so it's like 3 toe rings on one toe. Love it! And then from there we ended up going to like a rooftop restaurant and just like grabbing a quick drink, looking at the view, but honestly it was kind of horrible service, so we're like, let's get out of here, and we left. And then we went to the Sawdust Festival. My husband had never been before. I'd been a couple times. It's fun, it's cute, it's just like outdoorsy, and you see people selling stuff, and they have live music that plays. We had a really good time. It's not something that I think you'd want to go to like every year, maybe like every few years, just because it is kind of the same and you kind of see the same things over and over again a little bit, but it's still like a fun activity. So definitely go check it out if you've never checked it out. But it's not the most exciting thing in the entire world. It's more of like a laid back fair, if you will, with no rides. But I still loved it. And then we all had to go check on our dogs because our dogs had been alone all day. And then we came back together at my house and we went out to dinner at the Panda Inn. I think I've talked to you about the Panda Inn before. It's where Panda Express came from. It's like the mother restaurant, and there's only like a few of them, maybe 3 tops, maybe 4. And one of them happens to be like super close to where Matt and I moved a little bit. So the friends that we were hanging out with all day, they had never been before, so we're like, let's go. And we went, and oh my gosh, we had so much good food. And it was so much fun, and I love Chinese foods. So again, another really fun way for me to continue to celebrate my birthday. And so I'm trying not to move a whole lot just because it is so hot. It's the kind of hot where like you start sweating even when you're not doing anything or standing. So I definitely take breaks to like blot my sweat, and I'm trying to fan off, but gosh, like I can feel like the front of my hair getting a little bit sweaty because it's so hot. But I just wanted to film this video, and I don't want to wait, and I want to get it out to you because I'm tired of waiting. So we're just pushing through. In the meantime, it's my birthday weeks, and that leads straight into the 4th of July, which my husband decided that he wanted to have a party, which meant that I had to get ready for the party and clean for the party and organize and get the tables and the chairs and all this stuff. There's so much that goes into throwing a party, like I mentioned before. I, again, had no time to finish editing the flat iron video to get it out to you, and as much as I was trying to, I had just like so much to do. Like I had a list of things, and I kept on like, you know, editing my videos like in the middle, and I just didn't get to it. But it's all edited now, and you're gonna see it like after this video. So we threw a 4th of July party at our house, like a really small one, just like 4 of our close friends. There were 6 of us, and we did ribs. Oh my gosh, we did a really fantastic job on cooking those ribs. They like literally fell right off the bone, and they were amazing. And so we had never actually spent a 4th of July at our house yet because this is only our 2nd one here, and the last year we went to a friend's house. So we wanted to be at our house because we just want to see how the fireworks are around our house. Let me tell you, the fireworks around our house are pretty amazing. It was like having our own fireworks show, and they were just like right there, big, and like the huge ones, like the big massive one. It was so awesome. Fireworks started going off at like, I want to say like 7 p.m. It wasn't even dark yet, and they went to like 11 p.m. and I just sat outside the whole entire time just looking up at the sky, watching the fireworks. Oh, it was so fun. So that is what I've been doing for the past couple of weeks. It's just been crazy amounts of fun and time spent with my family and my friends, and I've just like really enjoyed it. But I have been like aching to film and to edit. Like I can't even tell you, I have like all these ideas that I have just like written down on paper and so many things that I want to share with you. So videos are back on track now. We're back to where we're going. I took like a little birthday break. Who knows, maybe every year I need like a birthday break just because I plan my days so packed. It's hard to fit anything else in. But I hope you enjoyed that little trip down my birthday lane into the 4th of July, and hope maybe you found a little bit of inspiration for fun in your own life, because you never know. You always have to have fun. You always have to enjoy your family and your friends, because honestly, we never know how much time we have. So I always try to make sure that I take the time and put in the time to see the ones that I love, and I love you. So thanks for putting in the time to see me. But with that, I gotta get out of this heat. But make sure to like and share so other people can like and share, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you next class. Also, on a side note, I don't know if you can see, but I left it. So I'm sweating a little bit, right? And you can see like beads of sweat on my face. But here's the thing, I have my makeup on, and my makeup, my make your own foundation is so awesome that all you need to do is just blot and the makeup stays. It's pretty crazy. So I'm just saying that if you haven't tried my make your own foundation, you should really try it because it works so well and it stays on no matter what, even if you're sweating because it's so hot. But also remember, if you haven't subscribed yet, please do click on my face, hit that subscribe button and the little bell next to it, because that lets you know when I upload a new class, and that way you can stay up to date on all the fun. I'll see you soon.